smoke. Look at that, man. Dual smoke.
Yesterday it was you and me. Now I got to find my way back to you, girl. Broken hearts like an empty room. Yesterday it was love too soon. Now I got to find my way back.
Hey, let me catch you up. I'm en route to pick up the digger from Jason. It's been almost a month. I took it to him thinking we're just going to wrap this baby and make it look all pretty, but no, we got deep into this thing. The soundboard wasn't working. The switches weren't working. Jason is a perfectionist, and he's a gravedigger expert. This is not a gravedigger. It's real similar, but he's never taken one of these apart. So it's been a lesson learned with some lesson curves here. I'm very, very fortunate to have him, but here we go. I'm going to go pick her up. Stand by. I'm excited.
Your comment featured on screen.
Well, now. So Jason has been working on this Toro for a couple of weeks, man. The electronics were shot. He's working his magic. He's got some parts and he's stretching them and making it. He's got the sounds working. Yay! And the lights work. Look at that. That's awesome. So we'll put an aftermarket fog machine in there and it'll blow some smoke. Wow, that's way cool, Jay.
Yep.
Way cool, bro.
Pedal, and it'll go up underneath there.
Right, the variable speed pedal.
Yep. So we don't have to use the stock wiring. That stuff will stay just for solely for the sounds and stuff.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Getting there.
All right, we're in the home stretch. The home stretch. Man, he's been tearing stuff apart. Check out these teeth. How badass is that? Yeah, it's gonna be cool. It is gonna be cool. We're waiting on the fog machine. It'll be here this week. We can hook up the fog machine. It's a custom little fogger from Amazon because the stock one is shot. He's literally had to rebuild everything. It's crazy. All right, test one.
Dual smoke. Look at that, man. Dual smoke.
How cool, how cool, how cool. Well, the wrap is still in progress. It's coming along, man, but it's all there. Everything works, man. God bless you, Jason. God bless you, man. Hooking that shifter up had to be something special. Get your 40 volt working with your pedal.
Reverse switch working.
Yep, we got reverse. All right, man, this is so cool. Yeah, he's got a variable speed pedal hooked up and everything, so how cool, man.
So basically, you just gotta burn off some of that oxidization again.
Remember in episode 1, you saw me using a torch. The heat gun is the same technique. Heats up the plastic, prepares it for the wrap. The reason being, the oxidation stops the glue from sticking on the back of the wrap. So you gotta prep it. Fascinating.
Ankle like that. You just pop it back up. Put a heat on it. Use the hard side of the squeegee. There, down. See how it rolls it?
Yeah, man. Push that air right out. It's so cool, man. Wrapping is so popular these days. I mean, cars, bikes, boats. What's next? Houses? You wrap a house?
They already do, yeah.
Do they wrap houses?
Yeah, I told my wife I was going to wrap mine. She said, hell no.
Wow. Look at that. That's so cool.
When we get down towards the flames, it's a matter of just letting it kind of drop in where it needs to go.
Jack the knife is your friend.
Yeah, it is. It can be your enemy too. And you're looking good.
That's cool, Jason. It's so cool. They get the idea.
Yeah. Again, that's Toro Loco is probably the hardest body to wrap. Found that out the hard way.
Right.
But the Great Diggers wrap pretty easy.
You've probably done, what, 50 diggers over your life?
No, not 50. Here, probably maybe 25, 30 of them.
Right. He's a professional sign guy, so he raps. He's on a heel. You're a rapper, rap star.
Well, I get a lot of scrap wrap. That's why, again, you got colors like this for a Lamborghini, one's metallic.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Very cool.
Might as well use the scrap on stuff that's smaller,
Sure. Yeah, you waste not one. That stuff's not cheap.
No.
Thank you for sharing this with us, man. It gives the viewers total, it gives them some idea what it takes to do this.
Then we go in there and we trim all that stuff out in front of it.
Right.
So that it
Exactly.
drop in.
There you go, though. That's it. Cool, bud. Way cool. You know what? We're going to tease you. This is going to turn into a part 3. It's just too much work to do still, and we're not hurrying this. This is quality, not quantity. So coming at you live from St. Petersburg, Florida, Jason Baldridge, a.k.a. the Gravedigger Guru, and Uncle Sven here. Hey, we just wanted to tease you with a part 3. It's going to have to happen, all right? We'll see you in the next episode, bitches.